students, myself Miss Rachna Jain, Associate Professor, Department of English, Government PG College, Rajgarh, Alwar. Today in this video lecture, I am going to explain you the poem My Grandmother's House, composed by the great poetess Kamala Das. This poem is in the syllabus of BA Part 2nd English Literature, Paper 1st, Unit B. This is my first video lecture on this topic. Yesterday, I had sent you the PDF on the introduction of the poetess Kamala Das, and now I will give you the brief introduction of the poetess again so that you can understand the poetess and the poem. The main topics of today's lecture are introduction to the poetess Kamala Das and her major works. Next, setting of the poem My Grandmother's House, and third, explanation of the text. Introduction to the poetess Kamala Das. Kamala Das was a great Indian poetess. She was born in Kerala on 31st March 1934. She died in Pune on May 31st, 2009. She was an eminent poetess, novelist, and short story writer. Her maiden name was Madhavikutty, and under this name she wrote in Malayalam language. Her father V.M. Nair was a journalist, and her mother Nalapad Balamani Amma was a poetess. Kamala Das began writing poetry when she was a child. At the age of 15, she was married to Mr. Madhava Das, an official of the Reserve Bank of India, Bombay. She didn't like the domestic duties only and found life intolerable. She lived in metropolitan cities as Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi, and then settled in Trivandrum in Kerala. She had 3 sons. Somehow, she was never satisfied with her married life. Later, she adopted Islam as religion, and her new name was Suraya. Kamala Das wrote openly and frankly about female sexual desire and the experience of being an Indian woman. Her major works: poetry, Summer in Calcutta, 1965, The Descendants, 1967, The Old Playhouse and Other Poems, 1973. Her famous novel was Alphabet of Lust, which she wrote 1977. Her biography, My Story. Her magazines which she wrote: The Illustrated Weekly of India, Poetry East and West, Femina, Round Table, Love and Friendship. Awards. Kamala Das has received many awards for her literary contribution, such as Pan Asian Poetry Prize, Kerala Sahitya Academy Award for Story, Tanupau, shortlisted for the Nobel Prize in Literature, Kerala State Film Award for Best Story, and Asian Poetry Prize. Setting of the poem My Grandmother's House. The poem, entitled My Grandmother's House, is a reminiscent poem. The poetess recalls the house where she used to live with her grandmother. She was then a small child. Her grandmother was very fond of her. She received great love from her grandmother. The poem offers a striking contrast between Kamala Das' childhood days and her present life as a grown-up woman. As a little girl, too young to read, She enjoyed the grandmother's love. Now she gets no love from anybody. Therefore, poetess feels as if she had lost her way in life. Her sense of loss is intense. Her feeling of deprivation is so great that she seeks love from strangers like a beggar asking for alms at the houses of people whom she doesn't even know. Thus, we can hear a poem expressing the author's sense of deprivation and her feeling of utter hopelessness. This is the first stanza of the poem My Grandmother's House. First of all, I read these lines. There is a house now far away where once I received love. That woman died. The house withdrew into silence. Snakes moved among books. I was then too young to read, and my blood turned cold like the moon. Now, I tell you the word meaning of some phrases and words mentioned in the lines. House. House stands for grandmother's old house. Far away. Far away means which is very far away from the house of the poetess where she is presently living. Received love. Received love means her grandmother loved the poetess very much. She received a lot of love from her in her childhood days. That woman stands for her grandmother. Withdrew into silence. It means the house now became deserted. Now no voice came from it since nobody lived there. Snakes moved among books. It means as nobody lived there, it has been deserted so long that even reptiles or snakes moved there among the books. Too young. Too young means the poetess was just a small child and could not read the books kept in the almirah or shelf. My blood turned cold like the moon. It means after her grandmother's death, she seemed to have lost all her senses. It seemed to her that her veins became cold. Now, first of all, I tell you the reference to the context of these lines. These lines have been extracted from the poem My Grandmother's House, composed by Kamala Das. She is one of the most popular Indo-Anglian poets. In these lines, she recalls the memories of her childhood days in Malabar, her family home, where she spent the early years of her childhood in living care of her grandmother. Now I explain you these lines. The poetess is lying in her bedroom and recalling her grandmother's house where she once lived with her. There is a house now far away from where once I received love. It means that she remembers the house of her grandmother, which is very far away from her present house, and she told that in that house in her childhood she received a lot of love of her grandmother. Her grandmother is now no more, so the poetess remembers that house because of her happy associations with it and the presence of her loving grandmother. Her grandmother showered a lot of love and affection on her when she was young. That woman died. It means after her grandmother's passing away, she felt herself lonely. The house withdrew into silence. It means after her death, the house sank into silence as nobody lived there. Snakes moved among books. It means now that house is full of snakes and reptiles which moved among the books which the poetess as a young child could not read. I was then too young means she was so small, so young that she was not able to read these books which were kept in the shelf or almirah in the house of grandmother. And my blood turned cold like the moon. The presence of these snakes filled the poetess with fear, and her blood became very chilly like the moon. It means when her grandmother died, it seemed to the poetess that she had lost her capacity to feel. The blood in her veins seemed to have turned cold. So, the upshot of these lines is the poetess is lying in her bedroom and recalling her grandmother's house where she once lived with her. Her grandmother loved her very much. She is now dead. Nobody lives in that house now. There were books in the house. Reptiles could be seen there. She was at that time very young. She could not read or write. When her grandmother died, it seemed to her that she had lost her capacity to feel. The blood in her veins seemed to have turned cold. So, students, these were the opening lines of the poem. In the next video lecture, I will explain you the remaining part of the poem. I hope you understand and enjoyed it. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Thank you.